Next, that added layer of security I was discussing earlier, our secure file scan feature. This allows administrators in your account to enable an antivirus scan for all of your forms and workflows. The second highlight today is our approval process, new to workflow. This allows you to add an approval step that requires action from a designated approver in your account. And of course, with that approval, you'll get new branching logic based on the disposition of that approval, whether it was approved or whether it was disapproved or rejected. Form analytics, very exciting feature. This allows you to monitor form performance. You can view key metrics on all of your forms, including conversion rate. You're going to be able to see kind of like granularly how your form is performing with your respondents.